Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can change the WhatsApp number without losing any chats. So before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further videos on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open the WhatsApp and on the top right corner you will see the three dotted line. Tap on it. After that, you need to go to the setting and you'll be access to this page where on the account you can see the change number option. Tap on it and tap on change number. Here you need to tap on the next so that changing your phone number will migrate your account info, groups and setting. Tap on the next and here on the top you need to enter your old number with your country code, and on the next option you need to enter your new number with the country code. So after you have added both of the phone number, you need to tap on the next on the bottom of the screen, and after that you will get notified if you want to acknowledge of this change to your contact. Then after tapping on the contact, you can also inform your contact about the change of your number. So this is it guys. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.